Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe with the blessings of Allah. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat e-learning. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat e-learning. This is your computer science class and your teacher Miss Nazia Avkas is here. We just continue our chapter number 5, more KTurtle commands. Okay students, we have already learned a lot of commands. Today we are going to learn pen up command and pen down command, PU and PD. How? First of all, I will write FW 20. Turtle will move 20 steps forward. See, you can see the line. Now I am going to use PU, means pen up command. I don't want to draw the line. Okay, turtle will move without line. Again I will write FW command. For example, 40 steps forward, run. You can see turtle will move without line. If I want to draw the line again, I have to use PD command, pen down command. PD FW 40, run. Now you can see again pen down and line will be draw. Okay, so now we want to draw a circle, means again repeat command. In KTurtle, all of you know that a full circle is drawn with 360 degrees and a semicircle with 180 degrees, sorry. So now we are just draw a circle using repeat command, REPEAT. Repeat 360 degree. Okay, 360, then bracket again FW command 1, means circle have only 1 point, 1 TR1, only turn right 1 time, finish. Again click run button. Now you can see how we can draw the circle. Okay, so one more thing, sometime one repeat command can be used inside and other in order to draw a design, means repeat inside repeat command. How we can use? Again repeat 36 time, repetition. Okay, 36 time, bracket, curl bracket. Okay, again see I am using again repeat command, repeat inside repeat command we are using. Repeat F. Now I am using forward command, FW 100. Okay, then TR 90. Afterward close the bracket, then TR, because there is repetition command, TR 10. Turn the turtle right 10 times. Okay, now I am going to run. We can see see repetition, repeat inside repetition. In this way we can make a design. Hope it is clear, and all of you, all the students, please do the practice at home. Okay. Okay students, so let's start question answer. Question number A, they are asking which command should be executed before, so that even after giving the command forward 100 it will not draw the line. Definitely the answer should be pen up command, because if even we are giving forward command, turtle is moving but line is not there, so it means we give the command pen up. Number B question, which three command can you use to draw a circle? Definitely repeat command. If we are using repeat command, so it will draw the circle. Like repeat 360, all of you know that if we want to draw full circle we need 360 degree, right? So repeat 360 FW1 TR1, same second command and same third command. Question number C, KTurtle loves command. It creates some wonderful things for you from them, a bit like following a recipe to make a delicious cake. Are there commands that KTurtle cannot follow? Yes, we can say KTurtle acts upon the command the user gives. There may be illogical commands that it will not respond to because it does not function that way. For example, MS Paint cannot act upon the commands pick up from MS Word. Question number D, do you think learning to program computer is a skill worth having? Yes, learning to program is an exciting skill to acquire because programming is challenging for you, right? Learning to program can also make us more productive, efficient and effective. Last question, if you were to draw a circle and then realize it was just too big, how would you change the command in KTurtle? Very easy. In KTurtle a full circle is drawn with 360 degrees, all of you know that, and it is very simple. If we want to reduce the size of the circle, we have to increase the number of steps in forward command. Okay, thank you so much students, and Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much students, and Allah Hafiz.